Okay, I keep saying this is going to be a final video. This one is a final video. Adjusted the VCO to track better with the programming voltage, and I've certainly got it better because I did have a figure that was out of spec, which was this one here, which was at 429.7, was well beyond capture range. So I brought that down, and I've gone through it all, and they're all within a couple of megahertz now. The previous problem was when you did a fast sweep, you'd lose the lock of the VCO and the feedback loop. So this is our start frequency, 1 megahertz. There's a stop frequency, which is full frequency range. So it's going to do a full sweep and start the sweep now. It's sweeping the frequency. Obviously the counter can't keep up with that. It's a very fast sort of sweep. And then let it run for a minute. And then what happened before was if I stopped the sweep, the set would, the VCO would lose. It wouldn't track properly, and then of course it results in a open loop because the feedback's all wrong. It can't get captured. It doesn't capture the frequency. So I'm going to stop, and there you go, 650 megahertz. So it seems to have fixed that. That was all it was. The VCO. It's a great the fault diagnosis on these things is actually pretty good actually. If it's working properly, the status light will show you any faults that you have with the set. I mean, you get the normal ones for the oven warming up, and the normal faults are actually listed here. 14 is the one you'll see when you start it up. You'll also get error 99s, and error 99 means a hardware fault. And if you need to see what that hardware fault is, you press status, blue button, and then status again, and it will show you another code. That code you have to read in the manual, and it will give you an idea of what it is, and it will usually reflect one of these LEDs on top of the board. 10 kilohertz. Change the range. It's fine. So that's all working fine now. And I'm just hoping that this thing will stay reliable for a little bit longer. I was sort of vaguely planning on checking the power supplies, but I did look at the ripple on the output of the power supply and it seems fine. So yep, this is the last video unless it blows up again, but I think it's basically fixed. Thanks for watching.